Hey, it's Trish, and this is the Best of Fold of the Week, where I'm wrapping up 15 years of the show with a special series highlighting fan favorites and my picks for the best of what we've seen across 655 shows. I'm kicking off the series with the best of interactive designs. It's an exciting category, lots of contenders, and a tough decision, but I've narrowed it down to 5 superstars, so let's see who made the cut. Many times over the years, I've proven that great ideas don't have to break the bank, and this first example is one of my favorite simple interactive solutions from episode 239. It's just 2 cards fastened with an eyelet, but when you move the top card as instructed, you realize that you've actually poured yourself a glass of beer. I love the use of imagery to provoke interaction in a truly budget-conscious way. For number 2, let's look at an interactive favorite from episode 131. This simple 4-page brochure also uses an eyelet, but in this case it's used to fasten a black die-cut wheel to the cover, and when you turn the wheel, you get a kaleidoscope effect. It's kind of mesmerizing and really hard to stop turning the wheel. It was for an art event, and I just love how creative and visual it is, and it's really just a 4-page brochure with a wheel fastened to the cover. Number 3 is a clever invitation that combines a flipper technique with animation for a truly interactive experience. I'm bringing this one back from episode 295, and this circus-themed design features a pull tab that activates a flipper device with illustrations of flying trapeze artists. As the panels flip, the acrobats swing. The flipper is just a glued stepped accordion. Number 4 is a New Balance promotion from episode 158 that uses an animation technique called scanimation. There's a sleeve of clear mylar with black vertical stripes printed on it, and a sheet with what looks like a cut-up silhouette on the paper underneath. And when you pull the paper out of the sleeve, it looks like the person is running. It's really cool to play with and totally fools the eye. And if you think that's all the wow for this piece, pull the inserts out of the sleeve and you'll find a brochure with a very exciting corner-folded format that reveals different running shoes. This one just wins creativity and interaction points all around. And number 5 is a true fan favorite and a personal favorite of mine from episode 126. This forward-focused parking car brochure is a feat of paper engineering from Structural Graphics. When you open the short trim cover, the red car kicks it into reverse and gracefully parks itself, emphasizing the active park assist feature in the car. Close the cover and it goes back to start. And that's not it. This brochure is also a stitched booklet with 8 more pages of content after the cover. Brilliant and irresistible. I think these 5 superstar solutions were a nice sampling of the spectrum of interaction, and I didn't even get to zip strips and peekaboo windows, scratch-offs, and other interaction devices. There's a lot more where this came from, but hey, this is Best of Fold of the Week, and I've got to draw the line somewhere. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you in 2 weeks for another episode of Best of Fold of the Week. Bye.